Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the PDF in an editor that actually edits text, not just annotates. Once done, unlock the file or enter the password so editing is allowed. Otherwise, you can only comment. Next, select the text tool and click the paragraph you want to change. Make sure to pick a similar font family and size so lines don't reflow badly. If the PDF came from a scan, prepare to run OCR. Otherwise, you can change words directly and move to refinement. Now you handle the core adjustments. Edit words, fix spacing, and ensure alignment matches surrounding content so the page looks consistent. Use separate text boxes when adding new lines to control wrapping and maintain layout. Make sure color, weight, and line height match existing text. If your page was scanned, run OCR first and verify recognized text. OCR often misreads punctuation and ligatures, so proofread carefully. Once satisfied, tidy up by grouping moved elements and checking that images and vector art remain anchored. Finish by saving a working copy and then exporting or printing to PDF to bake in your edits. This embeds fonts and prevents accidental shifts. Once done, flatten form fields and annotations if you want a final, non-editable file and confirm hyperlinks and page size are correct for printing. If something goes wrong, fonts missing or garbled text, reopen the original, embed the font or convert problem text to outlines, or rerun OCR at a higher DPI. That usually resolves recognition and layout errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.